I chose the topic of electric circuits for grade 6 learners because it forms an important part of the natural science and technology curriculum in CAPS, where learners are expected to explore energy and change in everyday context. According to the curriculum, learners should develop an understanding of how electricity flows, how simple circuits work, and how these principles apply to daily life. This topic not only builds a strong foundation for future studies in physical sciences and technology, but it also encourages critical thinking, problem solving, and hands on investigation skills. By constructing and testing circuits, learners engage actively with scientific concepts, links theory to real life applications such as lighting and appliances, and develop a sense of responsibility for using electricity safely. Teaching electric circuits at this stage therefore promotes conceptual understanding, practical skills, and scientific inquiries, as emphasized by CAPS. I chose to use a 3D manipulative of a simple circuit in this lesson because it provides learners with hands-on, concrete experience of how electricity flows. Many grade 6 learners find it challenging to understand that electricity current is invisible and only flows in a closed loop. The 3D model allows them to physically connect the batteries, wires, and bulbs and immediately observe the results, which reinforces their understanding of open and closed circuits. This manipulative also supports multiple learning styles, visual, kinesthetic, and tactile, by enabling learners to see, touch, and manipulate the components. Furthermore, it encourages active participation, problem solving, and inquiry based learning, allowing learners to experiment with different connections, troubleshoot faults, and link the theoretical knowledge of circuit diagrams to practical, real-world application. Using the manipulatives aligned with the curriculums emphasizes on practical investigations, scientific understanding, and learner engagement, making it an effective tool for achieving the lesson's learning outcomes. How will I deliver this lesson? I will start off first with my introduction by explaining what electric circuits are as well as simple circuits. I will explain the components of a simple circuit and I will show my manipulatives while teaching the concept. I will use my 3D manipulative to show how circuits work and won't work if the components are not connected properly or if there is an open switch. Student engagement will be a group activity that will be done in class. I will split my learners into groups of 4 and give them components of a circuit, and they have to complete a simple circuit and a light bulb must light up. This will allow for learners to be engaged and interested in the lesson, and learners will develop a skill of problem solving because if their light bulb doesn't light up, they will have to work out why and find another solution. Expected learning outcomes would be: learners would be able to define an electric circuit and its main components. Learners will be able to differentiate between a closed and open circuit, and learners will be able to construct a circuit using 3D manipulatives. Thank you.